Hello. In this series of videos, I'm going to explain the economic order quantity, which is the most simple model you can have when it comes to inventory management. Models can be either deterministic or non-deterministic. They can handle a single item or take into account several ones, which is called joint replenishment. They may take into account constraints or not, such as warehouse capacity constraints, and they can take into account discounts or not, depending on the price you get when you buy larger quantities. The economic order quantity treats reality as deterministic. It deals only with one single item. There are no constraints and there are no discounts. In addition to that, we will consider that demand is constant and known. For example, if we assume that we have a demand of 1,000 items per month, we will suppose that this consumption or this selling is produced over time at a given pace. The process goes on indefinitely. It's not that we're going to buy some items, sell them, and finish our process, but the opposite. The lead time is constant and known, which means that if our supplier tells us that we're going to receive a product in 1 week once we place an order, it means that we're going to receive it exactly up to 1 week, no later, no sooner. The holding cost is proportional to the inventory level, which means that if we store an item for 1 month and it costs us some money, storing two elements, two items, will cost us twice as much. We won't have stockouts, which means that we're going to meet all our demand. And finally, we're going to receive the inventory that we demanded from our customer in a single instant in time. We're not going to have a partial delivery, but a single one. And finally, we need to take into account two different concepts regarding the inventory we have. One is the on-hand inventory, which is the amount of inventory we physically have in our warehouse. This is the inventory we can actually use to meet our demand because we have it ready for us to use and deliver to our customer. We have, in addition to that, the on-order inventory, which is the amount of inventory that we will receive in the near future because we placed an order with our supplier, and this is an inventory bound to be received within the lead time period agreed with the suppliers. And the summation of both is our inventory level. So when it comes to placing new orders and replenishing our stock, we should take into account the inventory level and not only the on-hand inventory, because if we do not want to end up having too much inventory, we need to take into account the amount that we will receive in the next month according to what we have done in the past in terms of placing orders with our supplier.